Okay, King Peg. So tomorrow is the performance. Is the show. Is everything going good? Yeah, about that. Oh, the speaker's so heavy. Yeah. Well, you better get it fixed. The show's tomorrow. We don't want to be a failure. And when it goes on the news, it's gonna be called like the worst pizzeria ever. More like the most epic failure. By the way, I'm gonna wear my crown tomorrow. Okay then. Well, I hope that bird doesn't start sleeping during the show. Yeah. So why are we exactly having the show? It's his birthday tomorrow. Say what? Okay. Just 2 more nights and then I'll be done. I hope my nightmares end soon. Okay guys, we're going to find another way to kill him. Prank him again. How? It's like he keeps on slamming the doors on us. Yeah, I wish I could sink my teeth into him. Scare him once. Well, maybe, how about we all go together? Well, I only appear on the bed. Okay, well, we could still do it all together. My riddles are useless. They usually be nice to everyone. They were even nice. Never mind. Yeah. Anyway, let's just go all at the same time, and then we should be able to kill him, prank him. So yeah, let's go, guys. Yeah, we're ready to kill Frank. Well, let's just get this over with. Okay, ready? Ready. Ready. Go! Okay. Ah! Uh-oh. Oh my God, he's in the closet already. Ah! Oh my God. Okay. I'm here. Ah! Idiot. Uh-oh. Oh my God, he almost smushed me. Oh no, my doors. He busted them open. You're surrounded now, Jake. There's nowhere to go. Or is there? Ah! After him! Ah! Alright, let's see these speakers work and let them dance. Beep! Alright, it's on. Let's turn these on. Beep, boop. Okay, let's do it. Cool! I hear music! Ah! This music is awesome! After him! I'm gonna kill you! Oh no! Hey, you're surrounded now. Oh no! Time to die. He's escaping! Oh. In the kitchen! Yeah, in the kitchen! Let me in there! No! I don't want to! Hey, get back here! Wait, where are you going? Get in here! I'm locked the door so I don't hear you crying! Oh no! I can't see. Hello. Who said that? Oh my God! You look like my plushie, but it's scarier. That's right. Honey, like the plush pig. Wait, looks like your name is Plush Pig. Anymore, it's Plush Pig Trap. Because I'm a trap. I'm gonna trap you in my mouth. No! like the parts of service. Yeah. Brother, Jim, you locked me in. You locked me in here. Help me. Please let me out. Please let me out. Please let me out. Sounds like the bird that always falls asleep. Crap, I gotta get the keys. Dang it, drop the keys. Kid, wake up. Dude, hey, what are you doing here? You can't be here. You okay? My brother put me in here. I know. It's okay. Why does your brother even bother you? Well, he just does it for no reason because he finds me annoying. I understand. Don't worry. Tomorrow's your birthday. You can't have a bad day tomorrow. I promise. I will stop anything that happens from your brother. I'll take you home. Okay. All right. Let's go. Tomorrow's another day.